It is 14 minutes after 10 o'clock. Here is one of these anthems that we just love singing, Kiwi music. We're celebrating it on the Tūranga Health Parakuihi show, 14 minutes away from 10.
Our job was just to keep people happy at home and just to boost the morale a little bit. We would get calls every day thanking us for, you know, making people laugh or just having fun on air. I enjoyed coming to work during lockdown because I got to still carry on a little bit of normality even though it wasn't really normal. Despite us not being your typical essential worker, I really feel that we did our part to help the community. Very fortunate that I live a 2-minute drive away from mahi, so kids going back to schools, yeah, it doesn't really affect my daily commute because good old Gisborne takes you 2 to 5 minutes to get anywhere, which I'm very thankful for. When I come to mahi, you know, you'll see sanitizer everywhere. There's sanitizer when you walk in, there's sanitizer in the studio, at the reception, in offices. Morena! And I'm very aware of who is in my circle now and who is close to me because I just wouldn't want to put my whānau at risk or even my kaimahi at risk. Our rangatira here at Tūranga FM, you know, he put some rules in place that really protected us, so we felt really protected.
First concert ever was When the Cat's Away, so that's back in the 80s.
When I was born.
When you was born.
And you was at
uni.
I
was not at uni.
I really enjoy working with Mātai because we kind of vibe off each other and we kind of read each other.
Happy birthday to ya! Happy birthday to ya! Happy birthday! You were flat! You were flat, Rahia!
I was flat.
You were.
And we'd make fun of ourselves and have fun and get people to call in and get people to sing with us. You know, we were having karaoke sessions, we were dressing up on Fridays, just so people at home can have fun. No reira, e whakapono ana hau e eke tērā hia o māua ko Mātai.
Akuni koe iau, Rahia Timutimu. You wait.
So I have just finished mahi and it's going to be the first time we see my mum friends and my son, Te Mangia's little baby friends. Oh look, he's happy. Ko ohua ina ne. Ko ohua. Ara noa ngā painga kua puta mai i tēnei rāhui. E whakaaro tētahi ki tētahi. You know, you're thinking about your neighbour, you're thinking about each other. You really think, wow, you know, it takes, you know, situations like COVID-19 to kind of see like, wow, you know, people do care about each other.
Take it in the views.
Yeah, we did actually. Yeah. We took the view for granted, but because we haven't been up in such a long time, it's been nice. All the girls are awake, except for Te Wai and her friend Te Mangia.
He's here in his sleep too.
Yeah, there he is. One thing that I would want whānau at home to know is that we are essential because we were still getting the word out to the community, and I feel like, yeah, we did our bit.
Hei kona mai rei,
Hei kona.
iwi. Be kind, be safe.
Leave me a salad at charcoal chicken.
Okay, rightio, goodbye. Hei kona mai.